My best advice is, as long as you are willing to commit yourself in learning, you don't really need a degree nor a background to learn web design.
The world of information technology is seemingly a complicated matter, even to the layman to begin with. Despite the difficulties, Create Career College has created a solution for helping the beginner create a professional IT career in Canada.
So web design is a process of creating a visual look and the feel of the website. In other words, it's a process of turning your ideas into a mock-up that your future website will look like. You can work anywhere in the world as long as you know the trend of web design. For me, as a web designer in Hong Kong, who lived in a multicultural city, there's lots of talented people all around at work. We are able to bring the innovative ideas and so-called Hong Kong design style, and then we can bring a lot of resources when dealing with different corporations in Canada. I think there's no standard. I would treat all the students as the beginner, as we want the process of the learning is more fair. So they are able to create a portfolio by their own. I think that's it. So don't worry too much, just go for it.